I'm Saravanan from Pavarica Limited. Basically, we are the diesel generator manufacturing company. We have across India branches and we have almost 900 plus IT users. So our company basically diesel generator manufacturing company. It's a EPC company, and also we have one more branch, one more vertical. It's called wind department, wind division. So basically, we have been deploying the wind turbine on our sites. So our business is different verticals. Number one is diesel generators. Another is wind turbines. I have two roles playing in this Pavarica. Number one, asset management, which is wind turbines management of the system, and another role is I'm heading the IT department. So in this IT department, every year we may prepare the budgets for branches for all, and deploying the manpower and handling the IT infrastructure is a complete challenge for me on a basis. The challenges we faced, not only our company, all the company taking on cost optimization and manpower optimization. So in that context, we need to work year on year what could be done using the technology. So then we have some tools and techniques how to optimize the cost on IT front. So every year we are presenting the IT budgets, then a lot of queries from our CFO and financial department. So why you want to spend this much money, for what purpose? So the ROI is very, very important on each and every budgets. So this is main challenge for us to explain the people who wanted the questions. The Manage Engine we've been using last 2 years. So before begin with, we've been using normal complaint systems. The users, I has told, 900 plus users across India. So there will be no tracking, what kind of complaint been launched and how it been addressed. So last 2 years we've been using the product. So now I have full control on what are the complaints going through all across our organization. There are so many challenges actually when we are in without system, with system. You know well, when the tools are there, there will be a lot of advancement. So I can say that there are 3-4 metrics before buying the product we concluded, okay, what are the 3 metrics we have to handle it. Number one, IT complaints, how we are going to handle it. And number 2, contract renewals, notifications. Earlier, there is no contract notifications on renewals. So we have to write in somewhere in Excel sheet or something like that. So it is very much helpful coming on a month before, so they can renegotiate the price, putting the proper contract in the place. And number 4, team workload. I can able to see now how the team across India, IT team I'm talking about, how the workload has been distributed to the people and what kind of problems are coming in. One thing I to add to that, top of that, on the licensing. What are the laptops having, what are the licensing? I can see it from centrally. What across my branches, how the license are being maintained, and we have very confident. Any company coming for audits, we are very confident now with the proper licensing. This is our benefit of using this product. Actually, internally, I do review with my team, not an SLA with the end user who is complaining, but I do review on the complaint on weekly basis, when the complaint has been launched and when it has been addressed. So I had an internal set of rules, printer issues, this kind of notification, or server issues. So we had some kind of set lines. Internally we do the SLAs. I can see the transparency in my department. So and it's very much justified to my management why IT team required and what for they required. It's a complete transparency in my organization to see okay, how many complaints came from this branch, how many complaints come from that branch, I can see that. So, and what kind of complaint coming. Then from the complaint, I can take a decision. Can we train the users? Why this kind of complaints coming? Is it relevant to the hardware issues, or it is a user knowledge to be enhanced? So these are very good for me to, I can see now. Last 2 years, I'm doing a lot of studies in this, whatever this product I got it. So I'm doing a lot of analyzing. and I'm getting a lot of ideas about my users, what they're to be trained. So we done a lot of training program to see to that, okay, this training has happened. Okay, then this kind of complaint coming, then we need to adopt this training program. Like that, I put up a strategy on that, my yearly budget. The Manage Engine is the perfect engine for any company because it has all the features what the company wanted.